Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to delete templates in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is you can head over and click on this customize right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here this homepage. So click on this homepage and then from in here, you should be able to see some pages that actually serves as templates. So for example, let's head over to a page. Then as you can see, they have a default page right here and it is actually assigned to two pages. The two pages that we have is the about us as well as the put your design right here as well as the contact. So what we can do in order to delete it is we can head back in here on our online store. And then from in here, click on the three dots right here. Click on this edit code. And then from in here, it will open the code for your theme. Now in here, you can see the templates. So what you can do is you can just look for that specific thing or the specific page that has the template. So in here, that is called the page.contact. This because this is a template for that. Click on this trash can icon beside it. Then click on this delete file. After that, as you can see, asset has been deleted and it will automatically be saved. So let's head back and in here, let's head over to our customize. And once we have done that, we can head over in here to our home page again. Click on our pages. And as you can see, the contact that's here earlier has been deleted. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.